I'm USA Muslim.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Allama Iqbal International Airport, Lahore, Pakistan. The local time now is 43 minutes past 2 in the evening.
What's up guys, Jesse here. Feels crazy to say this, but I am in Lahore, Pakistan, just arrived. So I am staying at the premier Best Western in Goldberg. All of my worries kind of went away as soon as I arrived at the hotel. I did have a bit of an issue with getting my visa. It took a little bit of time. And I encourage you, if you are coming to Pakistan, to not wait till the last minute to get your visa, because it took me close to a month with all of the issues that I had. So finally, after a lot of research, I found a tour company called Pack Voyage, and they really helped me with getting everything I needed for the visa. They're based in Hunza Valley, but they're extremely accommodating. I'll put the links down in the description. Polished floors, quiet hallways, a pause button in a city that never really pauses. Stacked with toiletries. Dinner arrives carefully composed. Clean linens, restrained flavors, familiar technique. It's refined, intentional, comforting in a way that reminds you this city holds many versions of itself. Not everything here is loud. Some things whisper. So before I came here, I had heard from multiple people and sources that Pakistani people are some of the nicest people you'll ever meet. And I can confirm that's true. Even far from home, small habits survive. A quick workout, familiar movement. Something steady before the city pulls you back in. Morning comes generously here. Not one plate, many. What's up guys, Jesse here. Good morning from Lahore, Pakistan. Calling my in-driver to go to one of the most historical sites here in the city. On the back of a bike, Lahore feels alive in a different way. Wind, vibration, voices rushing past. You're not observing anymore. You're inside of it. The Badshahi Mosque rises heavy and deliberate. Red sandstone, perfect symmetry. Scale meant to humble. Built in the 17th century, it was designed as a statement of power and permanence. a structure meant to outlive the moment that created it. Empires have come and gone, the city has reshaped itself again and again. Yet still, these walls remain. Here, time doesn't stop. It simply slows without asking permission. What's up, guys? So we just got here to Badshahi Mosque. It is one of the biggest mosques here in Pakistan. Nonetheless, it is extremely beautiful. Outside, green stretches quietly around the stone. Families wander, kids run. Life doesn't stop for history. It lives alongside it. What's up, guys? Jesse here. So far it's been a really nice morning and I anticipate it's gonna get better. So thanks to the tour agency that helped me get my visa, they linked me up with a gentleman named Aziz who owns a restaurant here in Lahore called Hanza Den, and he's gonna show me around the city to some of the street food vendors. So we're gonna do a little bit of a street food tour. Hanza Den specializes in food from Pakistan's northern region. Simple cooking, steady pace, and dishes meant to be shared. This is a place built around time, both in how the food is prepared and how it is eaten. The pan heats fast, oil shimmers, tomatoes break down, fresh chilies release their heat. Karahi is cooked hot and quickly, built in layers as ingredients are added in sequence rather than all at once. Timing matters more than measurement, and the cook controls everything by sight, sound, and smell. Our first stop, homemade ice cream. The Lahore GPO stands solid and symmetric. Built during the British colonial period, it still functions as a working post office today. The real eating starts here. Plastic stools, flickering lights, confidence without a menu. Samosas. Crisp shells crack open. Steam escapes. Spiced potatoes, sharp heat, immediate comfort. Simple food, zero pretense. The city eats outside. Grills stay hot. Oil stays moving, and food is made in public view. Fast, practiced, and consistent. The national dish of nihari moves slow, deep, rich, almost solemn. Meat softened by patience, spice layered over hours, not minutes. a dish built for resilience. What better way to end a night of eating than an impromptu jam session? What's up guys, Jesse here, another day in Lahore, Pakistan. I did have to do laundry, so I did it right here in the hotel. Received the clothes in this nice packaging. It's like when you drop clothes off at a dry cleaner. So yeah, the hotel's really been outstanding, I have to say. I can't say anything bad about it. So yeah, here we go. Morning again, strong tea, hearty food. The day resets, but the city keeps its memory. Behind glass, artifacts trace through thousands of years of history. From the Indus Valley through Mongol rule and the colonial period. Stone carvings, manuscripts, tools, and sculpture map how power, belief, and daily life shifted over time. Outside the museum walls, Lahore moves forward. Busy, modern, and continuous. Carrying that history without pausing for it. Walls covered edge to edge in glazed tile, floral patterns, calligraphy, geometric repetition. Every surface used deliberately. The Wazir Khan Mosque was built in the 17th century as a neighborhood mosque, designed to be experienced up close rather than from a distance. Smoke lifts from the grill. Rice steams in wide trays. Kebabs cook fast. Biryani is portioned constantly. Sandwiches assembled without pause. This is everyday food. Built for momentum, consistency, and a city that eats often. Paratha dough slaps the counter. Folded, spun, flattened. Skill passed down quietly, hand to hand.
USA Muslim.
Yes.
My God. You're from USA? Yes. Oh yes, I am USA Muslim. But you look like Tom Cruise. Eyelashes, nose, teeth, like hairstyle, like perfect look, like height, like figure, like shoes, like trouser, like jacket. Oh yes! Cut.
From Cuckoo's den, the view looks out over the Badshahi Mosque in the old city. Rooftops, domes, and traffic stretch far beyond the historic core, showing how Lahore continues to expand around its past. Lahore isn't a checklist. It's texture, sound, flavor, contradiction. It challenges you, feeds you, overwhelms you, sometimes all at once. And when you leave, it doesn't follow. It stays exactly where it is, waiting for the next curious soul.